Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the US dollar Japanese yen FX for Tuesday, September the 15th. Well, yesterday we identified the potential tweezers bottom reversal pattern, and we have had a reversal of the trend. We now have a higher high and a higher low, and a distinct higher high and higher low, with the market changing from the downtrend to the uptrend in the first time frame. Looking at the candle, though, it's not a very positive candle. It's not the type of candle that we'd like to see for the beginning of a first time frame uptrend. The striking feature is the long shadow on top of the candle, on top of the body, and that suggests very strong downside price rejection. Now, the downside price rejection actually coincides with this previous area of support, and we know that support can turn into resistance. And that's exactly what's happening here. This highlighted yellow area was a previous area where there was buying coming in previously, and it held as a minor level in the recent past. And now we can see that the market traded up to that area, and the sellers came in and sold the market off. That area also coincides with the Tenkan Sen, and the Tenkan Sen has turned flat. We had a very strong Tenkan Sen to the downside, pointing down strongly with a sharp angle, reflecting the strong downside momentum that the market had. It turned flat, and when it turns flat, either the Kijun Sen or the Tenkan Sen tend to be an attractor of price action, and that's what's happened here. The price action has been attracted back towards the Tenkan Sen, and it's held as an area of support, and that coincided with the bottom of this the Tenkan Sen is held in an area as an area of resistance, and that coincides with the previous zone of support. Looking at the size of the body of the current candle, the body is very small, and it's certainly not the way that we'd like to begin a new first time frame uptrend either. Even though the body of the candle is green, that's saying that the buyers have made net progress between the open and the close, although it's very little net progress. We need to look at where the close is in relation to the high and the low, and it's between the mid-range level and the low, and that suggests that the sellers have control of the market. The sellers have taken control of the market. Even though they lost some of the commitment when they couldn't close the market back down at the lows or near the open, the sellers have lost commitment, but the buyers have lost much more commitment than the sellers have, and that's because of this very long shadow on the top of the body of the candle. So not a terribly positive candle for the market to begin a new first time frame uptrend. We really do need to keep an eye on the high of the current candle for the potential continuation of this uptrend, although I'd say that that's probably unlikely. The low of the current candle becomes very important for a potential new lower high and lower low, and a continuation of this second time frame downtrend that the market's in. And we need to watch the support area that was set up here at the tweezers bottom here, and that's a potential area of support if the market does if the market does change to a new first time frame downtrend.